For part B, we're going to start at positive 6 and go down 1, right 3. This is less than or equal to, so that's a solid. Less than means you shade down. So you have to pretend that this whole section is shaded right now. Okay? And so we're just going to shade a little bit of it to show that this part is actually shaded. For part B, the second part, we have to go ahead and change that over to slope intercept form. So I'm going to subtract 3x, get negative 2y less than or equal to negative 3x plus 4. Then we divide everything by negative 2. And when you divide by a negative and you have an inequality, you have to flip this. So we would have y is greater than or equal to 3/2 x. We would divide this and get negative 2. So this would be greater than or equal to, which is a solid, and greater is shaded above. So starting at negative 2, I'm going to go up 3, right 2, and down 3, right 2. Draw my solid line. And shading above, we go this direction. So I need to know what section has double shading, overlap shading. So this here and this here means that this section gets shaded darker. And because this part is the part that I shaded dark, this is your solution or your answer. So any point in this section is a solution. In letter C, we have x is less than or equal to 4, so that's solid. Y is greater than negative 2, that's dashed. Now less than, because this is x less than or equal to 4, you have to shade to the left. And here for greater, we're going to shade above. So for 4, we would draw that solid line going through 4. And they would be on this side. Then for y is greater than negative 2, we go to y-axis at negative 2, and we do a dashed line going through that. And it says shade above. So as we can see, this section has no shading. This only has this one. This only has this one. But here we have both. So we're going to shade this part in a little bit darker. Okay, and then lastly on letter D, x is less than 3. So that's dashed. Less usually means down, but because this is the x, we have to go to the right. So at 3, we have a dashed line. And we're shading to the left. For the second one, we have to put this in slope intercept form. So subtract 6x. We get 3y less than or equal to negative 6x plus 12. Lastly, divide by 3. And y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 4. So we start at 4. We go down to right 1. Up to left 1. Less than or equal to means solid. Less means shade down. And so here's where we began. Down we go this direction. So this side of the line is shaded. And we see which part has shaded twice. So this has no shading. This only has this one part. But here we see that we have 2 parts coming in. So this is the part that we shade, which again is our solution.